Let me explain the structure of the X-ray collimator today. Wall-mounted Bucky stand. Do you know what type of X-ray machine can wall Bucky match? Today, I will explain to you the new Heek Simple Wall Bucky. Wall Bucky and ordinary Bucky stand are the same in function, and the body's head, abdomen, chest, pelvis, limbs and other parts are examined. The structure of the stand Bucky is mainly composed of the column, the carriage, the clip, the arm and the moving base. It is suitable for different sizes of cassettes, CRIP boards and without line flat panel detector DR. New Heek wall bucket can be matched to any type of X-ray machine. It is fixed to the wall when used. It is equivalent to a fixed wall bucket, which can match the arm, U-arm fixed X-ray machine, mobile X-ray machine, and portable X-ray machine. Specification 1. Overall height 1,500 millimeters, except customized height max 1,800 millimeters. 2. Width 455 millimeters. 3. Minimum travel 1,000 millimeters. 4. Max Bucky size. Free size. 5. Installed. Mounted on the wall, suggest 500 millimeters above floor. If you want to know more about new Heek wall mounted Bucky stand, please contact our customer service.